the first day that they used it, they were in love with it because it was so easy and pretty mindless to them. And then they could focus on what was more important, which was having the conversation with the client over the phone. Two big objectives that we were looking at the beginning was we wanted to figure out a way to reduce cost and drive revenue. And so in the cost reduction standpoint, obviously the less time these guys are having to spend with a tool, the more that they're able to go in and set appointments. And so our cost per appointment, just purely based on our conversion to VanillaSoft, was cut in half. And that had a lot of different facets, but the main one being that they would spend maybe 2 minutes on a particular lead versus 20 minutes on a particular lead. So they had more opportunity to call more, and the more they called, the more they were able to get appointments for the guys out in the field, et cetera, et cetera. So it really, just the tool in itself hit those two things right off the bat. It cut our cost and it drove our revenue.